Today we want to look at the intersection between biology, informatics and artificial intelligence and how teaching is affected by this challenge. For example, here we are asking an AI to create for us a Python code, so a programming code, that allows for DNA-RNA transcription and RNA protein translation using a sample DNA sequence such as the one of insulin. And we specifically write that we want the commands in English because those could be in any language. So it could be useful to start kids working on coding, but with commands in their language. So we work it here, we get the code, and we can look at the code and see how it works. We copy it, we go to an online resource where we can paste our code, and very simply we run the code here, and we get an error. What did happen? An expected end of file while parsing, because the file was not properly copied. Let's do it again. Probably it wasn't finished. Okay, now we have the whole code. So I copy it, I go to the online editor. This one seems more like it. And now I have my sequence and I have the protein sequence. So I have the translation to the RNA sequence here, which is quite long. And then I have a much shorter protein sequence and the software hands. Also, I can use a specific programming platform with like it. And here I used the same request. And I have here on my progress the program and all the dependency and the installation of the subroutine. And here I have a much more detailed result. All this is like a starter to show that kids can start thinking in going into programming, and maybe they will evolve to developing a professional software like Eugene.